So if you guys have a Paselode framing nailer like I do and went to use it the other day, picked it up, plugged it in, and that's the sound that you got. And instead of throwing it away and going and buy one of those really expensive battery ones, pick it out of the trash and we're gonna fix it today. We're gonna tear it apart and we're gonna see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. I picked up this repair kit off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and we'll see if what's in here can make that framing nailer start working again. We're gonna start by taking these 4 screws out. They can be stuck, so make sure you got a bit that fits it really nice. Once you get all 4 screws out, you can lift this cover off. And once you get in here, you'll see the gasket that is ripped up, like this one right here. Obviously you can see that is our culprit. It's not supposed to be like that. So we'll open up the gasket kit and we'll put a few gaskets in just to be safe. I think this is the one we're looking for. I think that goes right on there. It's white compared to the black, but it should be fine. So we'll stretch this around here and we'll also replace the big outer gasket while we're in here. There it goes. That is a very tight fit, but it will go around it. We'll save this kit so that we can replace anything else if it does go wrong again. So I'm going to replace this one as well while we're here. Make sure that you get the holes lined up. There's one for the notch and then one for the release. Slide the cap back on, get that lined up with the notch, and put the screws back in. Make sure you get the washers on the screws when you put them in. When you're putting something back together and it has multiple screws, make sure that you get at least all 4 of them or however many you have started before you tighten them down. Once you tighten it down, you could have that lid in a little bit of a goofy spot and you won't be able to get the other screw started. There we go, all back together. Now we'll throw some air on it and throw some nails in it and see if it'll fire. So once you got everything back together and nice and tight, we'll throw some air on it and some nails in it. Here are the nails. Once you throw some air in it, hopefully it doesn't leak. There we go. Now we'll do a couple test shots into my workbench here, see how it works. There we go, good as new. So if you're looking to fix your Paselode, don't throw it away. Get a gasket kit and fix it, unless you really want to go buy one of those new framing nailers that DeWalt and Milwaukee have, but they're really expensive. And I like to save money. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.